cot inverse root 1 plus sin x minus plus root 1 minus sin x upon root 1 plus sin x minus root 1 minus sin x. Question can be done in 2 or 3 ways, either by rationalizing or change in terms of sin tan. You can solve it. So you know tan inverse cot inverse x is equal to tan inverse 1 by x. First of all, use this formula. So, or you can do by using rationalization, or you can do by replacing 1 by sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2. 1 के प्लेस पर sin x by 2 plus cos x 1 is equal to sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2, and sin x is equal to 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. You can use this formula and then simplify it, or you can do by using rationalization, but I am changing this question in 10. So tan inverse 1 upon x रिवर्स हो जाएगा, ये 1 प्लस साइन एक्स माइनस रूट 1 माइनस साइन एक्स ओवर रूट 1 प्लस साइन एक्स माइनस प्लस 1 minus sin x. Now change it in tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse x plus y over 1 minus xy. In order to change in this form, you have to require here 1. So make 1 here. So dividing both numerator and denominator by root 1 plus sin x. So it becomes 1 minus root 1 minus sin x upon root 1 plus sin x upon 1 plus root 1 minus sin x upon 1 plus sin x. Now this is in the form of this. Apply reverse formula. Tan inverse x minus y, here minus formula, minus, then minus, here plus. So this can be written as tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse, this is x minus y over 1 plus xy root 1 minus sin x over 1 plus sin x under the same root. Now 1 is equal to 10, 5 by 4, 10 inverse, 10, 5 by 4. Now 1 हमको रिमूव करना है, तो 1 रिमूव होता है cos के साथ, 1 माइनस cos x 2 sin स्क्वायर x by 2, 1 plus cos x 2 cos square x by 2. So make here cos. So this can be written as tan inverse root. One must change cosine in terms of cos. 1 minus cos pi by 2 minus x upon 1 plus cos pi by 2 plus x. Now use these formulas. 1 minus cos x, 1 plus cos x. This is pi by 4, tan inverse root 1 minus cos x 2 sin square x by 2, 2 sin square half of this pi by 4 minus x by 2 upon 2 cos square pi by 4 minus x by 2. 2 cancel out, pi by 4 minus this becomes tan inverse sin pi by 4 minus x by 2 upon cos pi by 4 minus x by 2. When it comes outside the root, square will cancel out. Pi by 4 minus tan inverse tan pi by 4 minus x by 2. Now tan inverse tan theta, pi by 4 minus pi by 4 minus x by 2 is equal to x by 2. Or you can write pi by 4 minus pi by 4 plus x by 2 x by 2. It is good. This is good question. Do practice 1 or 2 times. Question number 11. Tan inverse 1 minus x 1 plus x root 1 minus x upon root 1 plus x plus root 1 minus x. Same it is change upon make here 1 as you have done in previous question. So make here 1. So it becomes tan inverse 1 minus root 1 minus x upon root 1 plus x upon 1 plus 1 minus x upon root 1 plus x. Now it is in the form of tan inverse tan inverse y, tan inverse x minus y upon 1 plus xy. At this time, question is in this form. So change it in two terms. Tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse root 1 minus x over 1 plus x. Just as previous question you have done. This is tan pi by 4. As I told you, here is algebraic function. जब भी algebraic टर्म आएगा इनवर्स के साथ you have put. तो 1 के साथ cos बेस्ट होता है. तो 1 को कैंसिल आउट करना है. Then you putting x is equal to cos theta or cos 2 theta. As you like, theta is equal to cos inverse x. 1 को कैंसिल करना है तो 1 के साथ cos आना चाहिए, तभी कैंसिल होता है. बिकॉज 1 माइनस cos थीटा 2 sin स्क्वायर थीटा बाई 2 1 प्लस cos थीटा 2 cos स्क्वायर थीटा बाई 2. 1 के साथ cos को कैंसिल करना होता है, इसलिए here must be 1 minus cos 1 plus cos. So this can be written as putting x is equal to cos theta 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. जब भी algebraic term आएगा you have to put. अब cos 1 आ रहा है तो cos बेस्ट होता है. So it becomes tan inverse tan pi by 4 1 minus cos theta 2 sin square theta by 2 minus tan inverse root 2 sin square theta by 2 upon 2 cos square theta by 2. So cancel out pi by 4 minus this becomes 9 upon cos tan theta by 2. Pi by 4 minus theta by 2 और पाई बाई 4 half, and theta is cos inverse x. This is your answer. First of all, make 1 here. So divide both numerator and denominator by 1 plus cos x. This. Now this is in the form tan inverse x minus y upon 1 plus xy. Here is 1. So apply reverse formula, tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. 1 means tan pi by 4. When there is algebraic term with tan inverse function, then you have always put. तो 1 के साथ cos बेस्ट होता है, put x equal to cos theta base. Now 1 minus cos theta, 2 sin square theta by 2, 1 plus cos theta, 2 cos square theta by 2, cancel out. This becomes tan square theta by 2, tan theta by 2 outside the root, tan inverse tan theta, theta by 2. Put the value of theta. Theta is cos inverse x. Question number 12. LHS 9 pi upon 4 minus 9 by 4 sin inverse 8. Sin inverse 1 by 3. While you are solving mathematical problem, हमेशा दिमाग में चलते रहना चाहिए मैथमेटिक्स क्यों पढ़ाया जा रहा है. मैथमेटिक्स मीन्स समेटना, सॉर्ट करना. समेटना मीन्स कुछ कॉमन है, कुछ कैंसिल हो रहा है, कुछ ऐड हो रहा है, व्हाट एवर इज पॉसिबल, डू दैट. सो हियर इज कॉमन. 9 by 4 is common. So it becomes pi upon 2 minus sin inverse 1 by 3. You know the formula. Sin inverse x plus sin inverse cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. So cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2 minus sin inverse x. So pi by 2 minus sin inverse x. This is pi by 2 minus sin inverse x equivalent to cos inverse x. 9 by 4 cos inverse 1 by 3. You want your answer in terms of sign. Now change this cos in terms of sign. So it is simple how to convert. See here, let cos inverse 1 by 3 is equal to theta. So cos theta is equal to 1 by 3. Draw a right triangle. This is theta. Cos means base over hypotenuse. Base is 1, hypotenuse 3. So perpendicular AB is equal to root hypotenuse square 3 square minus 1 square. 9 minus 1 8, 2 root 2. So this is 2 root 2. Now you have all the side of rectangle. Change your in terms of sign. Sin theta equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse 2 root 2 upon 3. So from here theta is equal to sin inverse 2 root 2 upon 3, but theta is not. Cos inverse 1 by 3 sin inverse 2 root 2 upon 3. So your answer is 9 by 4. Value of this sin inverse 2 root 2 upon 3. This is common. Pi by 2 minus sin inverse x is equal to cos inverse x. Change this cos inverse x in terms of sin. This is the part of question. This is not rough work. Next question, number question. Solve the following equations. Question number 13. 2 tan inverse cos x is equal to tan inverse 2 cosec x. Apply the formula of 2 cos inverse x. You know 2 tan inverse x is equal to tan inverse x 2x upon 1 minus x square. ये इधर tan है इसलिए tan में लगाया. अगर इधर cos होता तो cos में अप्लाई होता. There are 3 formulas of tan inverse to tan inverse x. So sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square 2 tan inverse x cos inverse 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. लेकिन राइट हैंड साइड में here is a term of tan. So apply this formula. If here is cos, then apply this formula. If here is sin, then use this formula. राइट हैंड साइड में जैसा टर्म हो वो यूज करना है आपको. 2 tan inverse x, use first formula. tan inverse 2x 2 cos x upon 1 minus cos square x is equal to tan inverse 2 upon sin x. Tan inverse cancel out from both sides. It becomes 2 cos x 1 minus cos square x sin square x. It becomes 2 upon sin x. 2 cancel out. और एक साइन भी काट लो. Here cos x upon sin x is equal to 1. So cot x is equal to 1. This implies x is equal to pi by 4. Next question 14. Tan inverse 1 minus x upon 1 plus x equal to half tan inverse x. So this is direct in the formula form. Here see tan inverse x minus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse x minus y over 1 plus xy. So go from right side to left side. Tan inverse x minus y upon 1 plus xy. This can be written as tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse x is equal to tan inverse x. जब भी मैथमेटिक्स पढ़ रहे हैं ऑलवेज रिमेंबर व्हाई वी आर स्टडीइंग मैथमेटिक्स. मैथमेटिक्स क्यों पढ़ाया जा रहा है? समेटना, समेटो, ट्रांसफर दिस सेम राइट हैंड साइड. लाइक टर्म को लाइक टर्म के पास रखो. tan इनवर्स 1 is equal to half tan inverse x plus tan inverse x. Tan inverse 1 tan pi by 4 half plus 1 3 by 2 tan inverse x. This is pi by 4 is equal to 3 by 2 tan inverse x. 2 cancel out. This becomes pi upon 6 is equal to tan inverse x. So x is equal to tan pi upon 6. That means tan pi upon 6 means root 3. One by root 3. Next, one by root 3. Hello, student. You are not responding. Question number 50. Sin tan inverse x. This is convert. Outside is sin, inside is tan inverse. So change tan inverse in terms of sin. Let tan inverse x is equal to theta. X is equal to tan theta. Draw a right triangle. Theta. This is x. Tan is perpendicular upon base. So this will be 1 plus x square. Change in sin theta. Sin theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So theta is equal to sin inverse x upon root 1 plus x square. And theta means tan inverse x. Sin inverse x upon root 1 plus x square. Sin tan inverse x means sin inverse x upon root 1 plus x square. Sin inverse sin theta is theta x upon root 1 plus x square. Answer. Next question. 16. It is important question. Sin inverse 1 minus x minus 2 sin inverse x equal to pi by 2. Pay attention on this question. Transfer base in this side. 2 minus 2 sin inverse x equal to pi by 2 minus sin inverse 1 minus x. As I told you in previous question, sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. So pi by 2 minus sin inverse x, cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2 minus sin inverse x. So pi by 2 minus sin inverse x is equal to cos inverse 1 minus x minus 2 sin inverse x. अभी आपको कोई फॉर्मूला जनरेट नहीं हो रहा, तो लेट sin inverse x equal to theta. X is equal to sin theta. So question becomes minus 2 theta sin inverse x equal to theta cos inverse 1 minus sin theta. Now change this in circular function. cos minus 2 theta is equal to 1 minus sin theta. Cos minus theta is equal to cos theta in fourth quadrant ACTS. In fourth quadrant, cos is positive. Cos 2 theta 1 minus sin theta. Now put formula cos 2 theta in terms of sin. Cos theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. 1 cancel out. Here minus is also cancel out. Sin square theta minus sin theta is equal to 0. 1 cancel out, minus cancel out, then transfer in same side. Sin theta common, 2 sin theta minus 1 is equal to 0. Either sin theta is equal to 0 or sin theta is equal to half. Sin theta means x. X is equal to 0 or x is equal to half. X equal to 0, x is equal to half. Now check which value is correct. Put these value in your question. The value which satisfies the equation is the solution.